Welcome to Kernel Panic, and we are going to work on something different today. I'm going to do a little tutorial. I'm going to show you how to compile a TK glitch kernel in Pop! OS. Let's go over here. All right, so we are going to do this. So basically, git clone. There we go. Oh yeah, so you can see I've already have it in there. So you want to change directories, and then you whatever one you want to go to. I'm going to do the 5.8. And basically you want to start a executable. So you want to do dot slash install dot sh install. And you can pick what you want here. Since I'm on Pop! OS, it's a Ubuntu. Install some dependencies and all that jazz. Okay, we are back, and so now you want to pick your optimization profile. The default is 1, and all those like arrows for the default. So do that, and we'll keep. Yeah, we'll just keep the defaults. So the defaults there, and we go full tick list. Yes, I do the improve latency, cost of throughput. Don't do this one. Or this one, I don't know. Yes for fsync. Okay, now it comes for the configure. This is where I kind of get confused on how things are working. Default's nope, but sometimes it'll just automatically start compiling, but it doesn't give you the chance to pick your processor. So go to 3, and then it'll give you like this nice little thing. You can mess stuff around or whatnot, but I am just going to discard changes and then no. And then you'll come to here and you pick your processor. So I have a 2700X, and that'll fall under just the Zen. Zen Plus is what it'll be, so 11. Or you can do the native optimizations by auto detect. It's new, but you got all your things for Intel and AMD. So pick which one you want. I'm sure they'll be adding new things soon. Okay, yes, I'd pick this. And then we'll pick 4. And here it goes. Now it's going to start building it and compiling it. So I'm going to do another pause here once it starts going so I can show you that what everything does, because it takes a minute. I promise you that, even on my 2700X. So here we go. And it's going. Here we go. Now it's doing its thing. All right, we're back here, and then it'll say, do you want to install the new kernel? Why, yes. Yes, so before that, I'm going to show you what I'm on. So I am on the 5.4. I did a fresh install. Pop! OS, I kind of borked something up in my, tweaking. So here we go. Okay, we are back. And there you go. We are running 5.8. Now, the thing that you want to do is make sure that you are running the most up-to-date graphics for Pop! OS. So otherwise it'll break NVIDIA. So it's great now that, so that's the reason why I wanted to reinstall, because I was running off beta drivers. So if you have the 455 blase, whatever it is. Okay, well, cool. There we go. That's how you install TK Glitch custom kernel compiled to your own processor. So you can try to mess around with things more, and we'll see. So you guys have a great evening, and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.